Hey guys, in this video we will be learning how to draw a cornice on your exterior wall. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, go into your free modeling function. Alright, so get a higher view. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is draw a rectangle shape. Alright, so once you have a rectangle shape, it's a square. Okay, so we move it downwards. Okay, so I'm going to move it down 100, so I just type in 100. Okay, so the next step is we can click onto the surface and then we can use zoom. Okay, so we are going to make it slightly bigger than our layout. Okay, so I'm going to put in 150 for my scale. Okay, so when I'm done, click onto my surface and then we can click on loft. Okay, so when I click on loft, we can actually select the angle line over here as your cornice. Okay, so if let's say I want this one, just choose. Okay, and if you would like to put material onto your cornice, okay, so you can always return. Okay, so this is how it looks like in your 3D. So go to cloud, maybe we can choose Lacquerette, okay, and then we choose a neutral color. So let's say this blue, we just drag onto our 3D. Alright, and there you have it. So this is how to create cornice on your exterior wall. Good luck trying, guys.